This is the second house that we are touring today in this community by this builder. We are on northeast of San Antonio. Zip code here is 78233. And of course, the goal is to help you, the home buyer, decide if this community, this area, this location, this house, the floor plan would be the right fit for you and your family. But just looking at this home from the front, from the home front, the exterior, it's a beautiful home. Let's go inside and explore it together. All right, some stairs to go up onto the home. A nice front door right here. And of course, you have nice low entryway foyer. Okay. And to the right, we have the office and study right here. Nice size windows again. And right here, through here we have a coat closet right there, coat closet and storage right there. And to the right we have a powder room, half bath right there. And right here we have a laundry room right here. Now back this way, access to the second floor right here, which we will explore in a moment soon as we finish exploring down here. A nice size open concept living, dining and kitchen area right there. Dark colored cabinet. We have room for a refrigerator right there. Counter spaces and cabinet right for storage. We have the mud room right here, and there is your pantry. And this of course would be access to the garage. This is how that kitchen flow. A nice size island right there. The dining area right here. Plenty of windows, which is always nice. Now this island does have this electrical outlet right there for all your appliances and your electronics. Right here we have access right to the back porch, but I'll say we explore that back porch after we come down from the second floor. Let's go see what's on the second floor of this home. Okay. Right here we have the loft, game room, which you can use as you see fit. And right here we have a bedroom with a nice size closet. This closet has a window. This is always nice whenever I find one of these closets with a window. It's always nice to have a window in there. And right back here we have linen closet. Oh, storage. Right back this way we have a full bath, tub shower combo. All right. And then through here we have bedroom, one bedroom, a full bath, and we have bedroom number 2. Okay. A closet. This bedroom has 3 windows right there. Right here we have another full bath here. Okay, tub shower combo for party. You have dual vanity, so a kind of a Jack and Jill for this bedroom and the other bedroom. Okay. Right back down. Let's go see what that backyard look like. And then of course, we'll explore the primary bedroom, the primary suite last. Okay. So this is access to your covered back porch. I believe that is a gas line for your outdoor kitchen setup. You have some electrical outlet right there. Okay. A nice size backyard on this one. And then again on this address, No rear neighbors. You have a street there, and on the opposite side of that street, the other side of that street, is where you have some houses. Okay. And we're back in the house. Of course, I like this area. Plenty of natural light right through those windows. This is money right here. This is the primary suite. You have a nice size primary bedroom. Okay. Has one large window. And right here we have the primary bath, dual vanity. Okay. A tub, separate, and a shower right there. And then you have the primary closet right here, which is a nice size closet. And then you have your water closet right there. So I am going to leave information about this home, about this builder and this community in the description of this video. But of course, if you have any questions that would help you decide if this home or this location, this area would be the right fit for you and your family, or if you are looking to buy anywhere in San Antonio or surrounding areas, I would love to be a resource for you. So please do not hesitate to reach out. I am always here to help, and I look forward to working with you soon. Bye for now.